As a business owner, there are 4 major focus points when it comes to increasing sales and profits, and they are getting new customers, getting repeat customers, getting customers to spend more money with you, getting your customers to refer your business to others. Are you losing money because some of the traditional marketing methods are losing their effectiveness as well as draining your budget? Are your competitors taking your fair share of the market? Are you having problems implementing marketing strategies that can actually grow your business? Search engine optimization could be the answer. Did you know that 97% of consumers search for local businesses online, and 75% of searchers never scroll past the first page of the results? Therefore, the higher your website ranks in the search engines, the more exposure and attention your company will receive, resulting in new leads and customers. In fact, if your website is buried in the search engine results, most people won't see it at all when searching for your type of product or service online. If you are ready to develop an SEO plan that will help you take control and get found, contact us or visit our website for more information.